son Conure. We got him because he was so noisy. But apparently he doesn't feel the need to just squawk all day long. The Quakers are actually... would you stop that? They're actually noisier. Kamali? Kamali! You stop. He's getting very jealous. So to avoid being bit, he goes back there. Picks Sunny back up, and she lost... Hi, you are so beautiful. Here we go. Here we go. Yay! She would not do that. So she finally trusted me. Here we go. Yay! Good baby. Don't worry, Kamali. I can love you all. Yes, I can. Guess what? Keiko's in your cage. Do you hear her? She's being so obnoxious. She goes into his cage, down to the bottom, and makes that obnoxious noise. Uh-oh. Kamali. Kamali, let me tell you something. He or she can hold her own. Aw, man. Yay, you share!